What do you say, Ben?
You spend money of me.
Lahat tayo mag-istorya ganina.
Ha?
Lahat tayo mag-istorya ganina.
Unsa?
You told me I can afford to buy you a makeup. You want
Nagkabamulit ako English.
you want to, you know, you want me to grab your phone and you don't have phone anymore.
Naaay, sure, oy.
Yang ano na mo kadi ko maka-afford yung makeup ha. Lasa ni mo god.
Ate ko ito, sariya naman kayo, yaman.
Ikaw nakamani.
Naa,
Asa?
nasa kulubot.
No na. Ay, wag mo nag-call.